Hi guys, so I have another first impression unboxing to share with you guys. I ordered it last Wednesday I guess, and it's Sunday right now. Didn't know that they still have some delivery during Sundays. So I'm gonna open this with you guys for the first time. And this is a Shopee product. It's a metal press plier. So this is how it looks like on a carton. The pliers for plastics T3, T3, T5, and T8. So that is the first one, and then it comes along with all of the snap buttons. So it is in this bubble wrap right here, and a plastic with assorted colors of 15 colors, 5 along and 3 down, so there are 15. So I'm gonna try this later and show you guys how it works. So I already sprayed it with alcohol, even this carton here in plastic. So I'm just gonna open it, you guys, for the first time. It's very nice. It comes along with these 2 screwdriver and a pick and some extra tools, extra one, there's this bigger one and a smaller one here. So I'm gonna study first how to work in it, and then I'll show you guys. Hi guys, so I'm gonna show you how to put on the snap buttons for these project bags that I made. So this is the hand press clamp, and these are the buckles. You will need 2 buckles with those points there. Also a buckle with a bigger circle and a smaller one. So first off, take your awl. I think this is can also be called a nice pick. So you're gonna see where you're gonna poke a hole. I'm gonna be poking a hole here. Poke it. And what you're gonna do is you're gonna take your buckle, insert it through the hole, so the buckle surface would be from the outside. Take one of your buckle with a small circle to it, insert it, and then take your clamp, take your clamp, make sure it's in the right position, and then press. So now you see that it is in there. Take your other buckle, insert it so that the surface will be on the outside. Take your other one with a bigger circle to it, put it together with the other buckle, position your press, and then press down. So you can see the points have been pushed down. So now you can snap it with the other one, and it is there. You have already attached it there.